Reopening a closed Capital One account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the process, collect all necessary information related to your closed account. This includes your account number, social security number, and any identification documents that may be required. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to Capital One's customer service by calling the support line or using their online chat feature. Explain that you wish to reopen your closed account and provide them with the information you gathered. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may guide you through specific steps or provide forms that need to be completed to initiate the reopening process. Step 5. Confirm reopening. Once you have completed all necessary steps, ask for confirmation that your account has been reopened. It is a good idea to follow up after a few days to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps, you can successfully reopen your closed Capital One account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service again for assistance.